grocery.
Anong kulay? Dito, brown? Ayun.
Ay, coffee ko.
570 po. Gabana. Red yata yung
Hotdog, hotdog. Be away. Missing someone. Grocery tayo, grocery.
kasi kay Lisay.
Grocery is real for the families. Yan ang aming grocery. Yan, tsaka ito. Grocery tayo bago tayo aalis mamaya. Grocery muna natin sila para may silang food.